We are standing in line with Onaiyekan, Bishop, that there should be no sworn in until the court of our land, Supreme Court, give us the final verdict. And we are standing in the same line with that Obasanjo have spoken. A lot of elder statesmen have spoken on this issue. And that is our position. That we should wait. Why are we in a hurry to swear in now when the case is still in court? And we are asking Nigerians to hold on. Because the case is still alive in court. And we are asking federal government to do the needful by holding on. Because May 29 is not casted on stone. Let's give them time to finish the court decision. Why we are supporting it is to avoid problems. We don't know the minds of the youth. There are those who are offended in this election. There are a lot of agreed members. And we are just saying, let us calm down to avoid issues that we may not be able to control. And that's why we are standing by those who have spoken, that this swearing-in should be kept and stepped down. I said, we have heard from Obasanjo. We have heard from Dati Ahmed, Vice President. We have heard from Bishop Onaiyekan. How best can this be? And we are in line with what they are saying by saying, please, please step this thing down. Let us hear from the final arbiter, the Supreme Court of Nigeria.